up, guys?
I'm lazy.
What's up, bro? Today, to make up for yesterday's failure. Wow. We're gonna go and chase a river instead. A river? Yeah. And this is our driver for today.
In it. Oh my god.
Stay tuned. Char. We're here na, guys, and let's go to, where is it? Ferry Glen. So I pay a pound.
Ferry Glen. We're paying
A pound
each.
She paid already.
I paid already.
I'll give you a tip of 1p. Oh,
2p.
No, I only have. Yeah. Oh no. 1p tip.
CCTV yarn. Medyo delikado po.
We want to go to the river.
Oh my god. Uy, gago ka!
Buddy! Buddy! Kaya pa ba?
Madudulas ako ba ito?
Okay, guys. It's a fail again. Part 2.
Wala guys.
Hindi namin mababaan.
Tingnan nyo kasi paano bumaba. Paano kami bababa dito?
It's a bundok.
Bundok siya guys. Hindi kaya.
Nahulog na.
Basa nga ako. Ay, nakababa kami doon. Diba?
Kaso ang layo nung Ferry Glen. Doon yung Ferry Glen. Ang nandun is river. Nahulog siya sa river. Nahulog doon kami sa ferry. Sa Glen lang kami napunta. Doon siya nahulog sa Glen.
Wala, wasak. Kaya yun. Mag-exit na po kami. Ayan.
What's up? We're back.
Are we back?
Hello. We're not dead.
We're not good yet.
We're gonna finish the vlog.
The vlog.
The vlog.
We're gonna finish the vlog by saying wala kaming
Goodbye.
napala. Ulit.
Part 2. Part 2. Walang napala. Part 3. Merong napala.
Ano part?
So,
Wala pa naman
watch
part.
out. Keep an eye. Yeah? Alright, bye.